This is Lev Mills with Keller Williams Realty here. Just wanting to welcome you and invite you to the open house at 1645 Timberline Trace in Snellville. Just want to give you just a brief tour. This is a very spacious and gorgeous home. It has 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths. It also has just under 3,500 square feet, and it has this beautiful wraparound porch I'm going to show you here in just a few minutes. Coming around to the actual front of the house here, as I said, it's on a corner lot that is just under an acre. Corner lot. It's a lot of space, and just for a family, there's enough room for everybody. Look at this this wraparound porch here. You can sit out here in the evenings in the summertime and just just relax. And as we go into the front area here, I just want to give you a quick tour of the first floor. First thing that you notice when you come in are the hardwood floors. You have a very nice living room on this end that has double doors that lead to the porch. And here is your dining room. Here, tons of natural light and more hardwood floors. And here you have the kitchen. Nice, I guess, country style kitchen where you can eat in kitchen. Check out this very nice classic traditional fireplace here in mantle. And wait till you see the backyard. The deck is brand new, and the backyard. Look at all of this space. You can have a major event back here, so it's just a really nice home. Feel free to come to the next open house, and look forward to showing the rest of the house to you when you get here. This is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty Cityside, and call me or text me anytime at 678-590-5999. See you at the next open house.